Hello. This is the last in my series on referrals, and this video will detail how you sign off on a referral, reconcile the information in the chart, and then attach the document as needed to a referral, and then complete the referral. Okay, so that I don't have any sort of HIPAA violation, I'm just going to show you a screenshot of my document screen. So here's the screen you have, your kind of your home screen. If you click documents, you get something that looks like this. And I've blacked out the patient names, but you'll have diagnostic tests. These are going to be just regular documents, and then these are going to be letters that are known to be in response to a referral. Unfortunately, sometimes it can be hard to tell, and one of these letters coming back may actually be in response to a referral, and you may not be aware of it, or the person scanning may not have been aware of it. So it is a good idea just to check every so often and make sure. Go into the chart and make sure that that is not part of a referral. And there is another video that details exactly how to attach and detach documents. So let's go back to our letter. Okay, so here I am. I'm looking at this letter. I do believe that this is in response to a referral because I remember sending this kid for his murmur. So I will go into the chart to see, is it attached to the referral? Let's see. Oh yes, look at this. He has a newly heard heart murmur, and yes, it is attached to the referral. Excellent. Okay, so then I'm going to go back to my documents, and I want to reconcile the medical information. So mild aortic stenosis, we don't expect it'll progress. Okay, no activity restriction, hypertension. Okay, so I need to get this information into the chart. So I will go over here to chart, problem list, and let's go ahead and add this. So we're going to say aortic stenosis, pick one of those, and then remember in this box, you're going to really detail exactly what you think the issue is. So it's mild aortic stenosis, and then I'm going to say no activity restrictions, followed by cardiology annually, okay? And save it. So then I've added that to the problem list. Now, if I remember correctly, there was also a change in dose that I need to look at. So he has hypertension, and they've adjusted his enalapril dose. So let's go back to the chart and medications, and we need to add enalapril because it's not in here. So we will hit enala. That should be enough. Enalapril, it's 30 milligrams, so we're going to do this. Say this is reference only, 1.5 tabs, once a day, chronic med, safe. And then it brings that up. So now we have enalapril listed as well. Okay, so we'll go back to our document. Let's go ahead and mark that we've reviewed it. Yes, we've reviewed it. And then we can close this, and then let's go into the chart. Now, here's the important part. Not that the other stuff wasn't important, but we need to mark this referral as complete, because right now it's still listed as pending, but it is now complete. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Respond. Okay, and this is a response to a referral. It says complete here, so you're good. You're going to come down here, and you're going to say Med Reconciliation Performed. It indicates exactly when you perform that, and then save. And now your referral is complete. So those are the most important parts of reconciling a referral, making sure you update the chart, and then marking the referral as complete and indicating that you did med reconciliation. Thanks.